I know a lot of individuals that are like, yo, I really want to meditate, but I just can't, man. Like, I've just been through too much. And I'm at that stage when I just close my eyes and try to meditate even for 10 minutes. It's just like, I find it difficult. That's when I'm like, fam, like, why are you trying to meditate for 10 minutes from the very beginning? That's like you're a guy that's never worked out before, and you're trying to go to the gym for the first time and trying to bench 225 pounds. Now, is 225 pounds the most? No. A lot of people that have been to the gym for a decent amount of time can rep 225 pounds. But for a newbie trying to hit 225 pounds, that's a lot. It's very similar with meditation. Is 10 minutes a lot? No, especially if you've been meditating for some time. But for a newbie, is it a lot? Hell yeah, it feels like an eternity. So you start off with 30 seconds to a minute and you gradually work your way up. But let's say you don't even want to do that. At least do some type of content creation, because that's all you're doing with content creation. Like, content creation and meditating ultimately lead to the same conclusion. You are watching your thoughts. You are not your thoughts.